So student, we all are having our home, that is very sweet home, our sweet home. So this is a beautiful house where we can do anything we like. You are welcome to this place. Come, I will show you different parts of the sweet home. Okay, now the first part is chimney, roof, ventilator, balcony, window, garage, door, wall, garden area, and this is path. Once again, chimney, roof, window, garage, door, wall, garden area, balcony, ventilator. Children, in our home we are also having our bedroom. So what is in my bedroom? Let's learn about that. Fan, clock, cupboard, toy, table lamp, curtain, quilt, bed, table, sofa, carpet, wardrobe, some books, pen stand, that is having pen. Once again, cupboard, clock, fan, table lamp, toy, bed, quilt, pillow, curtain, table, sofa, carpet, floor, wardrobe, pen stand, books. And what I am having in my bathroom? Mirror, wash basin, shower, soap, shampoo, towel, toilet, bathtub, bucket and mug. Once again, mirror, wash basin, shower, soap, shampoo, towel, bucket and mug, bathtub, toilet. Let's learn about kitchen. Kitchen is a place where mama cooks delicious food for us. What we use in kitchen: spoons, forks, kettle, cups, toaster, plate, mixer grinder, gas stove, pan, refrigerator. Once again, spoons, forks, kettle, cups, toaster, plate, mixer grinder, gas stove, pan, refrigerator.